Hello, good morning. This is Parameswar. Today I am going to discuss about checks. Before that, let us know what is negotiable instrument because check is a negotiable instrument. A negotiable instrument is a written order promising to pay a sum of money. Negotiable means transferable. It is a device of transferring a debt from one person to another. A negotiable instrument means a promissory note, bill of exchange, or check payable either to order or to bearer. Now coming to this topic, what is check? It is a negotiable instrument which contains an unconditional order to a specified banker to pay a certain sum of money to the bearer of instrument or to a specified person. A check is a negotiable instrument instructing a financial institution to pay a specific amount of a specific currency from a specified transactional account held in the drawer's name with that institution. Both the drawer and payee may be natural person or legal entities. A check is used to make payment to a particular person and used to withdraw money from the bank. Check is valid for 3 months from the date of issue. Parties who are involved in the check transaction. Drawer. The person who draws the bill is called the drawer. He gives the order to pay money to the third party. Usually, the drawer's name and account is pre-printed on the check and the drawer is usually the signature. Simply says that the maker of check is called the drawer or the account holder who issues check is called the drawer. Drawee, the party that has been directed by the depositor to pay a certain sum of money to the person. The drawee of a check is always a banker in the context of a check. The bank is called the drawee. Payee, a person to whom money is paid or is to be paid. The holder of the check is the payee. Simply says that recipients of money is called the payee. Kinds of check. Bearer check, order check, open check, crossed check, mutilated check, stale check, post-dated check, antedated check. Now let us discuss kinds of check. Bearer check. A bearer check can be paid to any bearer and the bank is in order in making payment of the check and there is no necessity for the bank to verify the identity of the person. If a drawer orders the bank to pay a stated sum of money to the bearer, it is called a bearer check. A bearer check can be transferred to another person. The transferor of check while passing the check does not need to endorse the check. The bank does not need any identification proof while presenting a bearer check for enhancement. However, if the check amount is substantial, the bank may ask for the identification. See, all the checks are bearer checks unless otherwise they are printed payable to order. See, this check shown is bearer check. The drawee, Surya or any person authorized by her can withdraw the amount using this check. Surya has to sign on reverse side of the check. Order check. A check which is payable to particular person or his order is called an order check. When the word or bearer printed on the check is cancelled and the word order may be written on the check, the check is called an order check. And also, the payee can transfer an order check to someone else by signing his or her name on the reverse side of the check. The order check is paid by the bank only when the bank is satisfied about the identity of the payee. Open check. When a check is not crossed, it is known as an open check or an uncrossed check. The payment of such a check can be obtained at the counter of the bank. An open check may be a bearer check or an order one. These checks may be cashed at any bank and the payment of these checks can be obtained at the counter of the bank or transferred to the bank account of the bearer. Crossed check. A crossed check is any check that is crossed with two parallel lines, either cross the whole check or through the top left hand corner of the check. In cross checks, payment will be made only through the account of the payee or endorsee to whom the check has been endorsed. A crossed check is also called an account payee check. This is just check that can be cashed only by depositing into a bank account of the person who received the check. Cannot be directly converted to cash. Mutilated check. When a check is torn into two or more pieces and presented for payment, such a check is called a mutilated check. That means a damaged check on account of fire, water, ink, paints, or some pieces of the check is missing. This is called mutilated check. The bank will not make payment against such a check without getting confirmation of the drawer. Stale check. If a check is presented for payment after 3 months from the date of the check, it is called stale check. After the expiry of that period, no payment will be made by banks against that check. So when the date of the check is beyond the validity period of 3 months is called stale check. So stale check is not honored by the banker. Antedated check. Check in which the drawer mentions the date earlier than the date on which it is presented to the bank. It is called as antedated check. A check issued much before the actual date of presentation for payment is called antedated check. See, this check shown the date 26/2020, but today date is 23/8/2020. The drawer mentioned the earlier date. Why? Because there may be transit delay. Okay. Post-dated check. Check on which drawer mentions a date which is yet to come to the date on which it is presented is called post-dated check. When the date of presentation of the check is one or more days earlier than the date of the issued check. Example, if a check presented on 20th August 2020 bears a date of 25th September 2020, it is a post-dated check. The bank will make payment only on or after 25th August 2020. The purpose of post-dated check is, it is a check that is returned and issued by the debtor for a date in the future and may not be enhanced or deposited until such time. Debtors use post-dated check to avoid missing payments or their loans. Any of the check can be dishonored. See, dishonored check. When the check is returned by the banker for any reason, it is known as dishonored check. Dishonor also known as bouncing or returning. Any of the check can be dishonored by the banker due to insufficient funds, expired limits, overwriting on check, invalid date on check, payment stopped by the check, drawer, wrong mode of presentation, invalid beneficiary details, etc. Thank you.